Hey, it is song number 8 in the Summer Song Cycle series of 2020. And the song is about when there's an accident and you just can't look away. That's a metaphor. It's a breakup song. Get some hankies. I knew from the look on your face the Valentine I bought would go to waste. I knew, saying, when will you call, that I didn't mean much to you at all. I knew, when I hadn't heard back, that this was never going to last. I knew, when you couldn't make room, that it was too good to be true. I knew the timing was bad, and this is all that we would ever have. I knew, with all the love we shared, that something just wasn't there. You knew when you asked me out that I was just passing through town. You knew when you looked me in the eyes and ignored all the other signs. You knew all the words you didn't say were your plan to escape any blame. You knew when you let me play along, hoping in the end we'd be wrong. You knew to bring it to an end, and naively thought that I would be your friend. You knew I was the way to get back to the self you never knew you always knew. We knew it was never meant to be, and that we would never end up happily. We knew we'd suspend reality for a fantasy that wasn't meant to be. We knew that we needed the love of